Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be discussing how to make a YouTube video. Oh my god, I can't wait for doing this. So let's start guys. So first we have to start with going to YouTube. So make sure your YouTube account is in an age, in like adult age. So probably it should be about the age of at least 20 so you can make a YouTube video. So probably if your account is in that age, you should get a small icon like this. It's like, those old shooting cameras? So that kind of camera screen, an icon with the plus button in it. So when you press the plus button, so go live, create post, and then upload video. So if you want to make a video, you have to press upload video. So it's gonna take some time, and then it goes to channel content, and then a page comes like this. So just press on X so I can show you what is this. So this is my channel content. So this is the dashboard. So these are like the recent videos I've made. These are the videos I've seen, and all of them come up here. So let's go to the content. So the content is always the main. So again, if you want to know how to create a video, just press the same thing, and this time it's gonna have create near it, and the icon is gonna be in red. So if you click on it, just press the upload video, and then you have to select files from your file. So probably if you have a video you want to upload, you just have to go to files, click on the video, and press open. And then it's gonna come like this. So here you have to type the title, it's compulsory. So this is my title, Mukijo's how to make, well, a YouTube video. And yeah, so description isn't really needed for compulsory. And then so we have to wait until the checks are complete, so no issues are found. So the checks is over. So here we are still in details. So this is like a thumbnail. So I'll tell you what thumbnail is. Start YouTube. It's normally so fast, man. Why are you taking loading this much time? Okay, so thumbnail is basically when you open the video, the picture they show. So this really isn't going to happen in it, but then it's just a thumbnail added like it's really gonna happen. Same here. This is just a video they're showing, like a picture. Here's same, a picture. So thumbnail is basically the picture of the opening video. So example, I'll show you in shots. So this is the thumbnail they have kept. But then when we go into the video, it won't be starting with this thumbnail. So let me show you. Look, it did not start with the thumbnail picture. So that's what is called thumbnail. So then you can choose a thumbnail like this, this. And then you have to go more down, and then you have to make sure it's made for kids or it's not made for kids. Probably my video is made for a kid, because probably if a kid is watching this video, surely a kid would love to make a YouTube video. Here, video elements checks visibility. So after you go to visibility, make sure it's in public so everybody can watch it. And then if you press publish, the video is gonna get published, and then it's gonna appear in the top first here. I'm just gonna delete this draft because I just showed you an example. So guys, hope you understood how to make a YouTube video. So make sure you never forget this, because this is gonna be really interesting for your kids to make it. And if a kid is watching this, you have to make a YouTube video, bro. Never miss this chance in your life. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.